Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'll be making coconut rice today, and I've prepped my protein. It's nicely washed. I'll go ahead and add in my stockfish. This is a rich coconut rice recipe. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm going to season this protein. I'm adding in my onions. I go ahead and add some water. I add enough water to cook my protein till it's soft and tender. I'm going to add in salt to taste. After adding salt, I stir it so that the salt can mix properly. After mixing my salt properly, I cover up with the lid and allow this to cook till it's soft and tender. While my meat is cooking, I go ahead and prep my coconuts. Because it's coconut rice, I'm making my coconuts. I crack up my coconuts and extract the juice. So guys, I have a short form video on how to make coconut milk. Please check out the video. Thank you. After squeezing out the coconut milk, I'm going to set this aside. I go ahead and wash my rice. This is my raw rice, adding some salt and scrub it. I scrub it gently and nicely, adding some water and continue scrubbing. I'm going to wash this rice till the water runs clear. After washing my rice till the water runs clear, I'll go ahead, take it to the sink and give it a proper rinse. Guys, I'll rinse it till the rice is clean and set it aside. To another clean pot, I go in with a little vegetable oil. I add in some chopped onions and stir. I add in salt so that the onions can fry properly and release its flavor into the oil. After stirring for a while, I add in my washed raw rice. After adding in my washed raw rice, I go ahead and stir and combine this properly. After mixing it properly, I go ahead and add in my broth from my protein. After adding in the broth from the protein, I add in my coconut milk, just enough to cook my rice. After adding my coconut milk, I go ahead and add in my protein. Coconut rice is a very delicious delicacy that is popular to the southern parts of Nigeria, most popular to Efik and Ibibio. I'm adding in my crayfish and my pepper mix, guys. This is one of the delicacy that is very common to the Ibibios and Efik, and is mostly present in any traditional occasion. guys. So I go in with my spices and bouillon, and now I'm scrubbing my smoke in our fish. After washing my fish properly, I give it a proper rinse and I add it to my rice. I add every other ingredients that I need for this rice and stir. This rice is very rich, is luxury, and is very delicious. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video so others can see it. I check for the taste and it's perfectly okay. Cover that up and allow it to cook. So I check on my rice and it's almost done, and I go ahead and lift it gently so that what is up will go down and what is down will come up. And my rice is almost done. This coconut rice is very delicious. Try this recipe and leave a comment on the comment section. Leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. So I'll cover that up. I check before covering up, I check if my rice is soft and is perfectly okay. So I still lift it a little so that the rice, everything will be perfectly cooked well. So guys, this rice cooks on medium to low heat at this point. I cover it up and open up and check, and my rice is done. At this point you can add any vegetable of your choice. I'm adding carrots here just to give it a little kick, okay? You can add bell peppers, you can add spring onions, you can add any vegetable of choice, okay? This yummy delicious coconut rice is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.